Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 79 is the known negative values of b for which the function 16x cubed by 3 minus 4bx square plus x has neither maximum nor minimum in the range x greater than 0 is option A B varying from 0 to 1, option B varying from 1 to 2, option C B greater than 2, and option D B varying from 0 to 1. B less than 0 less than equal to B and B less than 1. So here function is given as 16x cubed by 3 minus 4bx square plus x, or we can differentiate it, so it will be 6x square minus 4bx plus 1. Suppose we put it equal to 0, then x will be your 8b plus minus root 6b square minus 64 by 2 into 60. This is your b, this is your a, this is your c, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 using this. Okay, now again differentiating it will be 32x minus 8b is equal to 0. So this is neither maximum nor minimum if we put equal to 0. If it is positive, then it will give minimum value. If it is negative, it will give maximum. So from this x comes out as b by 4. If we put x is equal to b by 4 here, okay, x is equal to b by 4 here, then we get b as 1. So if b is less than 1, then this quantity will be a negative. Okay. So again there will be no maximum or minimum value, because this is a complex, this will be a complex number. Okay, so if you put b is equal to 0 here, then this equation will be your 16x cubed by 3 plus x, which will increase with x. It will not have any maximum or minimum value. So b should not be negative and b should not be more than 1, because then we have this quantity as positive quantity. Okay, and then then um, then this condition will not be satisfied. Okay. So answer is option D. The value of b should be greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. So answer is option B. Other option including 1 are option A 0 to 1, but because at 0 it will also not have any maximum value, so this is wrong. And between 1 to 2 there will be no there will be real values, so it can have maximum value. So this is also not correct. Answer is option